All right, yeah, sure.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, so in previous class, so you have showed us the sales order, and in that we have the storage location thing. So how the storage location, I mean, it's already existing in the system, or how it was already um
How it is coming in the sales
created?
order is your question.
Yes, yeah, and how
Basically, sales and distribution is basically we have to study multiple determination. Shipping point, this is coming automatically, route is coming automatically, plant is coming automatically, storage location is coming automatically, the
mm,
conditions are coming automatically. Those all things will be covered in the syllabus. Okay, so whatever you feel, okay, this is coming from somewhere. Yeah,
mm,
there is some determination. Item categories are coming automatically. Okay, so these some equations are there. General ledger accounts are coming automatically. So basically, this is those called as a determinations. Okay, so
okay,
all determinations we have to study. Okay,
all, yeah.
one by one we have to cover.
Question is that how the sales document and I mean, it's also related to the determination part, how
Which one?
it's uh, as we have sales document type, so in that we have invoice.
Sales document type configurations are there. This is
Yes.
not a determination. This is not. See, the value, the specific value which is coming automatically, this is the determination part. Okay,
Okay.
there are
Yeah.
some fundamentals configuration there. So this is not a coming automatically. This will come automatically for users. But as a consultant, we should have idea. There are some backend control functions. Based on this control, we can determine any value that we want. Suppose in a sales order shipping point, we want like a 0001 or 1000. Yes, there is the equation for the shipping point. For storage location, yes, there is a configuration. For a plant, yes, there is a some like a plant will come from the material master, either plant will come from the customer master info record. So there is a priorities. Okay, that we have to study.
All,
Sales document type, it is a separate. This is how the determination will be there. Sales document type in the sense, whenever the user will create any sales order, simply user has to enter the document type there. So
mhm.
determination is, this is not a determination.
Okay. So we have to study this yet, right? The configuration of sales document type.
We have topic, okay. So randomly I'm trying to cover this point. Sales document type is separately, okay. Document type
Oh,
control function, item category determination, these
yeah.
points are there. Okay, so control function, whatever the important control functions are there, that we have to cover.
All right. And in previous lecture, so you have explained us the topic of um, it's called moving price and the standard price something.
Correct,
So
moving price and standard price.
yeah, so I mean, I have not got the entire gist of that. So could you please explain that again?
Okay, see,
Yeah.
whenever user will create a material master, there are
Mm.
two price things, or there are, we can say there are two price controls. What was our material? Real type was APRT. So consider this material, okay?
Okay.
So this is a material. I will open in a MM02. Let's open the accounting. That is a valuation area. Now here you can observe one thing. Price control is mentioned. In SAP, two
Mhm.
price controls are there. One is a V and one is a S.
Hmm.
What is a V and what is a S? Suppose this is a V and this is a S. Let's see the calculations. Now, what is a V? See, basically, the material which we are going to procure from outside, that is a externally procured material. For those material, the user will keep moving average price. Okay.
Okay.
Material which is internally manufactured, that is the semi-finished product and the finished product, for the standard price we have to keep. Simple. This is the purpose difference. Got it?
Okay.
Now, how the calculation works, I will tell you. For example, moving average price. Moving average price, this will be handled by the material management team. We should know some fundamentals. For example, this is like a average. Suppose let's consider day one. Let's consider day two. Let's consider day three. Okay. On day one, we have procured the quantity we have procured with this price. Okay. So quantity we have procured like 100, price was 12 rupees. Second day, quantity we have procured 150, price is 12.5. And day three, we have procured like 100 and price is a 12 rupees. So now tell me, you both tell me, Akash, this price is in our control or not? Can we manipulate these prices, Akash?
I didn't get, sir.
We are procuring the material externally. Day one, quantity we have procured 100 with the price 12 rupees. Day 3, 100, 12 rupees. Day 2, 150, 12.5 rupees. My question is that can we manipulate these prices? Can we decide these prices? Manyata?
No, sir.
Who will decide?
Procurement team.
Procurement team.
Supplier will decide, not
Okay.
procurement team. Supplier will decide. Okay. Now here the question is that inventory value term is there. Okay, inventory value. What is meant by inventory value? Let's consider or the valuation. Okay, what is meant by valuation? I will put formula here. Okay, this into this, price into quantity. So day one valuation is this. So day two this, day three this. Okay, so total valuation. Total valuation. This is a summation of. Okay. Now the average concept will come here. Okay, means we total quantity we have procured. Here again formula I will put total quantity, that is a summation of. Are you getting right what I am doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a total valuation that we have procured and this is a total quantity that we have procured. So there is one term, whatever the total 350 quantity we have procured with the different prices, but internally, what is the price of the one single piece? So that price of the single piece is a total valuation divided by total quantity. That's called as a MAP, moving average price. So this divided by this. Simple, 12 point something 21. So round figure will be 12.21 up to 2 digit. Okay. Got it? This is how the moving average price will calculate. Now the coming to standard price. Coming to the standard price. Standard price is in our control. First point. Standard price is decided by the users. How the standard price is decided? Basically, standard price is kept for the semi-finished product and finished product. Now the question will come here. Who will decide the prices and what are the parameters to decide the prices? So this is a total valuation of the semi-finished and finished product after the costings. Okay, after the costing of the material. So like your material is like a, just consider gearbox, you are manufacturing gearboxes. Okay, and one gearbox having the price of 2000. So that you are deciding, you can edit this price, but this price you cannot edit. This will automatically calculate here. Suppose the price is like a 13 rupees. See, let's see the impact. See, the price is getting changed. See, suppose 14 rupees, the price is getting changed. We are not controlling this price. This is calculating, but this price is not getting calculated. Got it? This is a major difference. This standard price will be considered during the delivery. Okay, delivery. So here BSX, that is the inventory, will be credited, and GBB, that is a COGS account, where GGS account debited. Okay, and this valuation will be based on the standard price. But in a accounting document, sorry, in billing document, revenue account will come in picture and customer account will come in picture. Customer will be debit and revenue account will be credit. That revenue account will be credited based on the sales order price, which is maintained in the sales order, sales price from SO. Now here again, the who is entering the sales price, again the determination will be there. Pricing determination, pricing values determination, pricing condition type determination. Everything is coming automatically. This value is getting stored in a particular general ledger account. That general ledger account determination. Basically, we have to study today this topic, GL determination. Clear?
All right, sir. Yeah.
Now the next thing is that coming to the topic. Next topic is a FI/SD integration. This is very important from the integration point of view. Now, let's run one cycle again. So I will create it from scratch. Okay, sales order. This order type you can create whatever you want. Okay, how many order type you can create? 10 numbers of the order type you can create, whatever required for your business. Okay, let's enter the details. Mandatory details I will enter. Okay, see again this availability control something is coming. The confirm quantity it is showing something. So basically this is again the availability check topic we have to study. Availability check. Okay. Okay, then what are the mandatory details? Let's check one by one tab. Now the storage location is not coming, but shipping point is coming from somewhere, plant is coming from somewhere. It is coming, just consider it is coming from somewhere now. We don't know from where it is coming. Even the root is there. Root is not coming. And one more thing, keep in mind, whenever the user is means what we can say, they are implementing SAP, they are expecting many things from you. Means just their understanding will be they will stand in front of the system and all things will be automatic from the user perspective. Okay, so we have to minimize their efforts. Just they will enter 2 or 3 values and other values will come automatically from somewhere. Okay, so this should be the approach. See here, you can observe one thing. Internal price, what is internal price? 1,500. What is the sales price here? 2,000. What is the margin system is showing? 500. So which price has been considered by the system? This one?
Moving.
Not moving. How the moving? Standard price. Standard price. Okay. Let's enter back. Incompletion log. Save. Order type, order 51. Now this 2-digit number is coming. Okay. Now this two-digit number that we can, whatever we want, like interval that we can manipulate. Okay, in the configuration. VA02 deliver material does not exist in storage. Okay, let's enter storage location manually. We'll enter SL01. Ideally, it should come automatic. Let me change the dates. Date system want. What was the date? 18, that is a requested delivery date, right? It should accept. Okay, what is the total quantity we have entered here? 5,000. And what is the quantity we have? Okay, date also not issue. We will enter 1,000. If the stock is not there, how we can have the stock? How we can have the stock?
So we have to go to Migo,
Hmm.
and from there we can do it in the
And real
option.
time?
In real time, here we have to ask the planning team.
Correct. If you are selling the raw materials, see, this is not a compulsory that you should sell only the finished product. You can sell everything. You can
Hmm.
sell the raw materials also. You can sell the semi-finished product also. You can sell the finished product also. You can sell the consumable product also. You can sell the spare parts also. You can sell everything. Okay, there is no any restriction. If the raw material stock is not there, that should you should connect with a material management team. If the stock is from the production, that is a semi-finished or finished product, then you should connect with the production planning team. Okay.
Hmm.
Right. Okay. Now the next thing is that after the posting delivery, we already know that one output delivery document gets created and the material document gets created in the background. What is a material document here? Material document, I'm not going to post a billing document now, okay? That is not required for today's topic. So I will open this document flow. Here is document flow. So in a display document flow, document, display document, okay? FI documents. And same you can open in a directly in the Migo, okay? FI documents, accounting document. Now here, why we are learning today's topic? After posting delivery, that is a PGI, post good issue, material documents gets created. In a material document, some accounting document gets created in the background, okay? And to check accounting document, we need to follow this path, okay? Now the thing is that this accounting document number is there. So what is the accounting document? What is the purpose of the accounting document? So basically, the material is going from your premises to the customer. So total valuation, see, from your sales and distribution point of view, for you quantity is important. But simultaneously, the total valuation of the material is getting decreased. So for finance team, the valuation of the material is important. What is meant by valuation? Price into quantity. Okay, price into quantity. Now here the question will come, where these values get stored. That values get stored in some general ledger account, that is account which is that is basically master data which is created by the FICO team. Now you can observe one thing here. In this in this accounting document, this is account column, this is a transaction event key column. So account, this is a general ledger account. Now tell me, in whole process, have we added this general ledger account anywhere in inquiry, quotation, sales order or delivery?
No, we have not added it.
We have not added it. And user are not interested to add this account. Okay, why the user will enter? The sales user don't know what general ledger accounts will be there. Now the question will come, it is coming from somewhere. Again, this is a determination. Okay, again, this is a determination. It is coming from somewhere. And which configuration are controlling this general ledger determination, that we have to study in this topic. Okay, simultaneously, means along with the general ledger account, transaction event keys are coming, BSX and GBB VAX. Okay, GBB VAX. So this is a standard transaction event key. BSX will be credited here and GBB VAX will be debited here. Okay, what is the GBB VAX? This is a COGS account, cost of goods sold. And what is the BSX? This is the inventory account. Now the next thing is that there is one equation, inventory and COGS account determination. There is equation. Based on this equation, the general ledger accounts are maintained in a configuration and the general ledger account will come in a accounting document after delivery. So here, inventory and COGS determination. So equation, just remember this equation, chart of account plus transaction event key. Transaction event keys are completely standard, BSX and GBB. Third one is a valuation grouping code. Fourth one is a account modifier. Fifth one is a valuation class. So for this particular combination, general ledgers accounts are maintained in OBYC setting. Okay, some database is there in the OBYC. So from this OBYC setting, the general ledger accounts will come. Now how it will come? This is a little bit complex to understand. Just focus here. Suppose we are posting the transaction. So what data we are using basically? material. This is a material. This is the description. This is a material. Just give me 1 second. Wait. Okay. So this is a material. Then company code. Company code we know that is a AD02. Then plant. Plant is a AD03. Okay. Now these things I will mention this point here. Now the thing is that whatever the detail we are using to create a sales order, whatever the details we are going to create a your like a delivery document. Okay, here one point here, moment type is a 601. Okay, 601 minus something. Now the thing is that this input data will work for your automatic account determination, and based on this input data the output will be identified from the system, and for this outputs whatever the general ledger account has been maintained, that general ledger account will pop up in accounting document. So how this will be done we will see. So now you have to tell me the material and which element is there which is relevant, or there is some connection. You tell me. Akash Manyata, material and which element you can see from this input list which is relevant.
Valuation class.
Simple, valuation class. How? Because in material master valuation class is maintained. Okay, so for this for this material some valuation class will be there. So valuation class we can search from material master. So in simply material master I will go and I will open the valuation class. So valuation class is 7920. Now the company code. What is relevant here? Company code relevant to chart of account, because chart of account is a list of the general ledger account which is maintained at company code level. And which chart of account is maintained at a company code level, that we can check by using OBY6 code. Which? OBY6. This is a OBY60 code. This is a company code list which is created in the system, and this is a global data for the company code. Company code is 8002. Chart of account is a CAIN. CAIN. Then we have plant. What is a plant and what is a relevancy plant? Means what is a relevant parameter here? The relevant parameter here, the valuation grouping code. At a plant level, valuation grouping code is maintained. So how to check valuation grouping code? Valuation grouping code we can check through some configurations. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, material management, valuation and assignment, account determination, group together valuation areas, and in group together valuation area, search your valuation area. This is your valuation grouping code Z101. Now based on this, how the determination will happen, the moment type. Now the moment type, okay, this is very important. For moment type, this BSX will be debited, BSX will be credited, and GBB VAX will be credited. This is a standard setting. Okay, so here based on this moment type 601, BSX will be credited, and GBB VAX will be debited. This is the standard settings. So this data we have, and for this data, the general ledger accounts are maintained in a OBYC setting. So what is a OBYC setting? Let's open the OBYC setting. OBYC is a T code. In the OBYC T code, multiple transactions